Okay, hi everybody. We're going to talk about fraction division. We're going to do the first part of fraction today, which is divide a whole number by a unit fraction. Hopefully you all remember what a unit fraction means, that the numerator is 1. So let's first look at something that you recall from 5th grade. So in 5th grade, when we're dividing, you're breaking apart into equal groups. You have a dividend, you have a divisor, and that equals the quotient. So the model below represents 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, broken into 2 groups, and that should be 4 in each group. So we're going to apply the same strategies with fractions. So previous example, whole numbers are grouped, dividends according to the divisor. The same strategy can be applied dividing fractions. So use the model below to demonstrate 8 divided by 1/2. You notice it's a unit fraction because there is a 1. Okay, so the model, we would draw 8 boxes, and each box would get divided in half. The pink rectangle represents the half down here. So now we want to see how many we can fit into the 8 squares. So we would break them each in half. Don't mind if it's not perfect like me, because I'm just kind of doing this for the first time. Okay. And how many of the small rectangles fit into these squares? So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that means that there are 16. So that means 8 divided by 1/2 equals 16. Let's see another example. Okay, so in this model, we're going to use 2 divided by 1/3. We start with 2 blocks, and we're going to break each block into 1, 2, 3 pieces. So we got 1/3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many total pieces do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would mean that 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6. Good? All right. Let's look at this problem here. So it says evaluate the following problem using the model below. So we have 3 pieces, and we're going to divide them into 1/4. So you can do it the way they have it here, or though most of you are familiar, I'll do it the other way. So we break it in half. Now we got 4 pieces here, 4 pieces here, 4 pieces here. So now we want to know how many total pieces do we have. Let's count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means that 3 divided by 1/4 equals 12. Good? All right. Let's move along. All right. So now we're going to evaluate the following problem drawing. We're going to use this model below. So we have 5 circles, and we're going to divide it by 1/2. So let's take each circle and divide it in half. 1, 2, 2. Okay, so how many halves do we have? Count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 divided by 1/2 equals what? 10. Great, okay. Let's try one problem together, where we'll start at the beginning drawing a model. All right, so say we have a guy named Jack, and he is making grilled cheese sandwiches. So let's take Jack. Okay, and Jack wants to make grilled cheese sandwiches. He has 9 blocks of cheese. And with that block of cheese, 9 blocks of cheese, he needs 1/3 block of cheese for each sandwich. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 9 blocks. Okay, there's our 9 blocks of cheese. And what are we going to divide those into? Groups of 3. So let's put in 3. Great. So how many total slices or pieces of cheese do we have now? Count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So that means 9 divided by 1/3 equals 27. Does anybody notice what's happening here right now? Do you happen to notice that the number 3 times 9 equals what? Oh, 9 times 3 also equals 27. So, to end this up here, let's think about that. Let's look at it. 9 divided by 1/3 is equal to 9 times 3. This is called the reciprocal. 3 is the reciprocal of 1/3. So at the end of this, during the assignments, you have a few problems and a quiz to practice this. Let's see how you do.